In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch a website on Hostinger in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide is designed to get your website up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Hostinger website by opening your preferred web browser and typing in hostinger.com. Once you're on the homepage, you're greeted with an array of options that Hostinger offers to bring your ideas online seamlessly. It's a user-friendly platform ideal for all skill levels, so you're in the right place. Next, hover over to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. If you don't have an account yet, you should see an option to create one right there, but since today's demonstration is on launching a site, we're assuming you've already set up your account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger's hPanel home screen. This is the control hub where all the magic happens and where we'll manage your website. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new, as it's designed to be intuitive. The next step is to direct your attention to the left-hand menu, where you'll spot a section labeled Websites. Click there to proceed. This will take you to your website management page. Now, you might not have any websites listed yet, so the page might look pretty blank, but don't worry, it's about to get filled. Look for the Add Website button and give it a click. This is where you start building your online presence. After that, you'll be presented with a couple of options, but you should select Create a Website to begin setting up from scratch. If you already have a website and wish to migrate it, there's an option for that too. However, for today, we're building a new one. Now, you'll be offered a choice to use a temporary domain. For the sake of quickly getting started, go ahead and click Use Temporary Domain. This option allows you to set up your site without any immediate cost or commitment until you're ready. And that's it, your website is now in the initial stages of setup on Hostinger. It's a straightforward journey from here, as Hostinger will guide you through the rest of the website building process with its easy to use tools and features. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you swiftly launch your website with Hostinger. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy hosting!